Hey guys, welcome back to Organic Chemistry Decoded. I know it's been a while since I've posted a video. I've been really busy. I'm in the middle of moving, got a whole bunch of other stuff going on, but I'm back. I'm here making videos for you guys, and we got another predict the problem. I'm sorry, predict the product practice problem. See, I'm all over the place. So let's get to it. We have this molecule right here, this chloromethylcyclohexene in this chair conformation, and we're going to react it with what is this? Potassium isopropoxide in 2-propanol, and it's at 97 degrees C, so that's pretty hot. So what is the product? If you want to work through it on your own, pause the video, screenshot it, work through it, write down in your notebook, whatever you got to do, and then come back. If not, let's do this together. So the first thing we want to do is we want to look at our reaction conditions. What do we have? This right here, let's draw this out a little better. So we have A plus, and then we have a O minus C, and then we have this. So this is a base. This is a nice base, nice thick base. But, well, not so much thick, but remember there's going to be H's coming off this here. So this is a nice bulky base. So this chlorine site right here is secondary, so we can do SN2 or E2. But because this base is bulky, he's probably not getting in there. So we're going to lean more towards E2. Another thing that lets us know this is probably E2. 97 degrees C. This is going to push us towards that elimination product. So what do we need here for E2 conditions? Well, we have our secondary or primary halide. We have it right here. We have a strong base that is bulky. Now, what else do we need? We need to make sure that there is a proton that is anti to our what's it called? That is anti to our halide that can form that bond. So remember from your chair conformation, so it's down. We're gonna have an H here that looks up like this. And so that would mean there's a proton here that's standing up like this. And I'm gonna mess this up. I haven't done chair conformations in a while. It's down like that, kind of. But that means, so if we were to, we were to look at it directly like this is our, our eye. Let's give this, we were to look at it like this. These would be exactly 180 degrees separated from each other. So this is anti. So what's going to happen? We're going to come grab that. We're going to push that down there to form our bond. And we are going to kick our chlorine off. And we are going to get as our product. Let me see if I can do it. I haven't drawn a chair in a while. Oh God. Some people can just do these. I never could draw them that great. All right, that one's not terrible. Thanks for bearing with me there, guys. We're gonna have our CH3 in the up position, and then we have that's a terrible double bond. We have our double bond, that's still so bad. We have this double bond formed here. So we have a methyl cyclohexene as our product. And now remember, because this is E2, not E1, that there's no carbocation formed in the intermediary, and it's not going to move to what would be a tertiary position here. That's a little better because it's just all in one concerted step. So this is our final product. So hope you enjoyed that. Hope it helps you guys. Let me know what you guys are learning in your summer organic chemistry classes. Also going forward, I'm going to expand the channel a little bit in terms of what I'm making videos on, not so much just straight practice problems and like fundamental learning, but a little more real world application it's more application based kind of problems to work through, in addition to just advice for doing well in chemistry or if you want to go to grad school. So if you have any questions on that, feel free to DM me. Also, possibly opening up some availability for tutoring. I'm getting a lot of DMs about if I tutor. I do, but I've had been swamped recently, so I really haven't been able to take on anyone. But there is the possibility of availability for that coming up. And so if you are interested in that, DM me. I work with all sorts of situations, whether you just want some help before a test and you have a practice exam, you just want we can all work through it together, or you're just struggling in class in general and you want someone to work with you one-on-one. Let me know. All right, guys, have a great summer. Hope your 4th of July was great.